Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is July the 19th, 2024, and you're looking at our Barbados cherry tree now. It's throwing off a bunch of new flowers. Our rainy season is actually here finally, and we also have some production. Now here's the Barbados cherry. This is a superfood. It is said that this one cherry here has more vitamin C than an entire orange. They're very tasty too, so if you can get a hold of some Barbados cherry trees, you'll be in good shape going forward. But this year so far, the production has been minimal. I was away for a few days, so this first production, a lot of it has ended up on the ground, but there's still a bunch in the tree. I'll be going through this tree to pick a few of them out because they're really healthy for you, and I like them. They taste sweet and a little bit sour. This tree has been here for a few years. I think almost 5 years or so, something like that. In my last video where I covered the entire food forest here, I tell you exactly how many years when this was first initiated. But it sits here kind of on like a little bit of a mound, if you will. If you see that hump in the yard. So the water runs off from the bulk of where the roots are. I'm wondering if that's having a negative impact on it. It quite possibly could be, but it doesn't look like it's having too much of a negative impact. As far as fertilizers and all that kind of stuff, we do not fertilize. We don't use pesticides, none of that stuff. There is one pesticide that is used, but it's a safe type. But we don't use it on our Barbados cherries at all. We haven't found a need to, so there's that. But going forward, this is just Florida sugar sand. If you want to plant a Florida cherry tree, which is the Barbados cherry tree, that's really all you need is that Florida sugar sand. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That helps our channel grow. And stay tuned, because I'll keep you updated on the progress of this very quickly growing Barbados cherry tree. Have a great day.